what's up? Welcome back to Adventure Kitty. Today, me and a special guest will be trying out Target slimes. So, here's our special guest, Katie Rose. And sorry if this is only half a video. My camera's really low for the first slimes we are testing out. And everything is almost already open. This one. Which one are you picking, Katie Rose? Okay. So, these are the Nickelodeon slimes, neon blue, and hers is the Fuchsia.
You know the song called Nickelodeon. You're blocking me out of video.
So, sorry about that. If we only get 1 or 2 slimes, we bought 6 slimes.
Did?
Yeah.
I paid for...
Katie Rose was so kind and paid for basically all the slimes. So, mine is very thick and glossy, as you can see.
Mine's very clear.
Can you push over a little bit? So, for mine on camera, it looks like a purplish, but mine's a little bit darker. And Katie Rose's on camera is a little bit lighter. So, for the rating of this, I would give this an 8 out of 10, only because of the scent.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this like
And because of the crackles. And she gives it an 8 out of 10 because she doesn't have real good slime hands.
It's also funny slime.
Now we're going to do some close-up ASMR, so get your hand out of it. It does like really big, like.
I'm gonna do mine.
And by the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe because I might do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. We can hit 100 subscribers by the end of the summer. Then I will do a giveaway, something like, I don't know yet, but whatever. So this slime, I would give an 8 out of 10, like I said. Nickelodeon, I would go buy this. It was $2. This is the cheapest slime that we're going to get. Our next one we're doing is the Mix and Match. So we got a unicorn one with 4 different. And we got a, like, flow milk. Which one do you want?
I'll take this one. I thought you got the beach one.
No, we were going to buy a beach one, but I watched the video and... Oh, the back here. And the sand was very hard and bad. And I have high hopes for these. Excuse me. Because we did a video on Katie Rose's channel with Compound Kings. No, that's my nana. No, I'll find it. Sorry guys, that was my nana. Yeah, I'll find it.
If Emily moves out of the way,
So,
you can see her.
that's my nana. Yeah, I'll find it. So, I kind of have high hopes for this one, except this is not a reusable case.
This is hard to open.
Yeah. Katie Rose, go get the handy dandy scissors. So sorry about that. There's scissors. Oh my God. Sorry, this video is gonna be cringy. There's scissors. And
You don't need to do all of them.
so we finally got it open. And I'm really sorry about all the interruptions. We're trying to do a video.
Alright, but I don't know your pocket shit.
I'll get it after the video. Sorry
Can you
again
open this?
about all the distractions. My household is very busy. Can you go turn the light back on?
How?
Just go run and like throw something at it. and jump around.
At that light?
Yep.
No.
Look up there. No. So I got your thing open. So we're gonna, please stand by.